7 ways real people make money with MAP. Let's go ahead and dive into this. My name is Charles Draven from mapsyndicate.com. I own a wide variety of websites, and then I also do business offline. I've been doing business for well over 10 years, and you'll get a whole bunch of insights, especially about MAP. Let's go ahead and dive into this. So, one of the things that um, just makes me think when I go to social media, people are wondering if this online business stuff is for real. Is it a myth? You can discover how ordinary people are generating income online with this special program called MAP. It's called Master Affiliate Profits. And in this presentation, I'm going to reveal how you can make money, 7 simple methods used by MAP members. And you can learn how you can establish cash flow without any prior experience. If you are worried about technology, if you're a technophobe, don't worry. MAP offers a simple training system for anyone, even without technical skills. The one-link system simplifies promotion, making it easy to get started, and you can begin building your online business quickly and easily. And MAP provides you a lot of information on how to do that. One of the biggest problems is getting traffic. And what that means is getting people to see what you're promoting, your offer or your service. And in this case, it could be MAP. MAP provides you with a way to monetize, to actually make money. You could also apply the training to promoting other products and services, even beyond MAP. So one of the key ways that people do this is they build their email list and they use free traffic strategies. You might have heard of organic strategies. There are a wide variety of free strategies that Master Affiliate Profits provides people, especially for free. And Platinum members, they get something called a built-in traffic system. It's a rotator delivered to their squeeze pages. So the squeeze pages are pretty much your website. Your one link will lead to your special website, your web page. And then this will help you establish revenue streams without paying for ads. So free traffic through the rotator system, that's a great token to have, and that's offered to people that upgrade to platinum level. Earn while you sleep. You create passive income with MAP's lifetime commissions. Earn every time your referrals make a purchase, building wealth over time. This recurring revenue helps secure financial success. I want to talk about this because just because I say earn while you sleep, it doesn't mean earn doing nothing. What it means is that when you build your business, your efforts that you do today can impact your income streams in the future. And what happens here is that your referrals, meaning that your customers, people that even join for free, they are hard coded to you. So every person, every affiliate in MAP has a unique ID. So what happens is that when somebody comes to MAP and they want to get free training, your ID is connected to that person for life. And what happens there is for the life of MAP, when they decide to purchase products or services within this MAP ecosystem, and if they do make a purchase, then you can actually earn commissions. And all those different products in there, they're all about how to make money online using MAP's special approach. Scale your success with second-tier commissions. You earn from your team's efforts as they bring in new members. This helps multiply your assets and strengthen your portfolio. How does this work? Well, if you have upgraded to Platinum, so you could go to MAP, I'm going to provide you a link where you can get bonuses. When you go through my link, especially my MAP link, what will happen is that you have the opportunity to upgrade to Platinum. And when you upgrade to Platinum, you get the ability to earn second tier commissions. What does that mean? That means that the people that are your direct customers, and I say direct because it makes a big difference, the direct customers will be able to promote MAP. And when they make sales, you can earn a portion of their commissions or the whole pie, I should say. Whatever you're promoting, you'll get a fraction of that. And that's called second tier commissions. And I wanted to really focus on the word direct because you do not make money from indirect members. Like let's say multiple tiers down, I want to make sure that you understand that the team that you build here are people that you directly refer to MAP. One of the cool things here is that you could learn from the top affiliates and even from the founders of the company. Once you join MAP, you become part of this supportive community where you could learn from highly experienced digital marketers and affiliates. People will share tips and get help when needed, and this helps you grow your savings and cultivate financial growth. So this is actually something that's very cool, very different than a lot of other communities I've been part of, especially large communities where the owner, the founders, they're extremely busy. And when they're off doing their business, they have other people pretty much like moderating the forums, support communities, and stuff like that. But in this case, I can say that after working with the founders, even in different companies, for different offers, they have been extremely supportive and well connected to their community, to their audience, and their customers. Automate your success. This is where you could implement set it and forget it promotion systems. You can automate tasks to free up your time and maximize returns. This helps you scale your business without working around the clock. There's two ways to do this within MAP. There's the built-in system that MAP comes with. If you just promote MAP and you don't do anything else and you go ahead and configure your account, then what happens is that you can earn commissions even in the future. So what that means is that MAP will actively promote the products and services to your people, to the people that you refer, and that is a set it and forget system. They will get these emails in the future, and that's how they are promoted stuff, how they promote stuff. And also they have workshops. They can promote these events and you could earn additional commissions. There are so many different ways to earn commissions through MAP. It's not just one product. And all this stuff is optional, by the way. And the other way that I mentioned that you could automate is that they easily allow you to integrate with your own email marketing platform. If you don't know what an email marketing platform is, you don't have to worry. You'll learn over time. That is an option. It is not a requirement. But when you set up your own systems, you can automate using your own systems as well. So that's one thing that's great. It's something that easily integrates into third-party systems. Focus for faster growth. Master one strategy at a time to avoid overwhelm. That's what I highly recommend. And focus your efforts for faster results and increased earnings. This allows you to create money-making ventures with less stress. I totally agree with this because when people learn how to do online marketing, sometimes they spread themselves thin and go into a whole bunch of different things because they think that's the best way to make money is just to dive into a whole bunch of different things. Main thing is that MAP provides you with multiple strategies on how to make money online, and it's up to you to decide which one you want to focus on. If you're not sure which one to focus on, if you're working together with me, if you sign up through my link and get my bonuses, then I'll provide you with some guidance. Otherwise, I'd say that pick which one suits you the best based on your preferences. And this whole system, it's not just created by a bunch of techie people. It was created by John Thornhill, Omar Martin, and Melinda Martin. Each one of them, they've been doing business online for over 15 years now and focused on digital marketing, especially in this niche, making money online. And I've known John for a very, very long time. I think it was 2006 when I first became his customer. So that was a long time ago. And they are dedicated to helping you develop financial freedom. So if you're ready, you could join MAP and begin your journey towards financial independence. The platform provides the tools and training you need to succeed. Take the first step to boost your income and create lasting value. So here's the easy way to do it. When you go down to the description of my video or even below my video, if you're on my blog, you go ahead and check out the link and you'll be able to grab this free PDF and learn the simple way to generate income online. My name is Charles Draven. Thank you for checking out my video and take care.